Saving your first 10,000 is one of the hardest financial goals, but also one of the most important. It's not just about the number. It's about building habits that can change your entire financial future. Once you've saved your first 10K, you realize it's possible to save 20, 50, even 100,000 because the mindset and systems are already in place. But let's be honest. When you're starting from scratch, saving that kind of money feels impossible. Maybe your paycheck barely covers the bills. Maybe you've tried budgeting before and it didn't stick. I've been there. Most of us have. But the truth is, saving 10,000 isn't about being rich or cutting out every little expense. It's about being intentional, building momentum, and making smarter decisions with your money, consistently. The first step is knowing exactly where your money goes. Most people don't track their spending. And if you don't know where your money's leaking, you can't fix it. Start by writing down every single expense for 1 month. It's not fun, but it's eye-opening. You'll probably find at least a few places where money is disappearing. Subscriptions you don't use, take-out meals that add up, or impulse purchases that don't actually improve your life. Next, automate your savings. Don't wait until the end of the month to save whatever's left, because there's usually nothing left. Set up an automatic transfer as soon as your paycheck hits. Even if it's just 50 or 100 per month, it adds up. And more importantly, it becomes a habit. Now, if you really want to hit that 10K faster, you'll need to increase your income even slightly. That could mean picking up freelance work, selling things you no longer use, or offering a skill online. You don't have to go full entrepreneur mode. Just an extra couple $100s a month can shave months off your savings goal. Then comes lifestyle choices. This is where most people struggle. It's easy to justify expenses when they feel small or temporary. But if you want serious results, you have to think long-term. That might mean driving a used car instead of financing a new one, cooking at home more often, or postponing vacations for a year. It's not about never enjoying your money. It's about choosing what matters most right now. Also, celebrate milestones. Every 1,000 saved is a win. Reward yourself in small, meaningful ways that don't undo your progress. This keeps you motivated without falling off track. And finally, protect your savings. Once you've saved a few thousand, don't let it sit in a checking account where it's easy to spend. Move it into a high-yield savings account. Keep it slightly out of reach, but easy enough to access in case of an emergency. This helps you separate your spending money from your future money. Reaching your first 10,000 won't happen overnight, but it's doable. And once you get there, your confidence will skyrocket because you'll know you're in control of your money, not the other way around. If this video helped, make sure to like it and subscribe to the Cash Blueprint for more clear, no-hype advice on saving, investing, and building real wealth. Thanks for watching.